Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by calling the first contact. Place them on speaker or headset so you can manage the second call. Once connected, tap the Add Call or New Call button because your phone needs a second active line to bridge. Dial or select the second contact from recents. Keep the first line on hold, which is normal. Make sure you watch for any carrier prompts about conference or merge. This step prepares both legs for joining and avoids dropped audio. Once the second call answers, tap Merge Calls to bridge both conversations into a single conference. You do this because the phone synthesizes audio paths and forwards each party's voice to the other. Make sure to listen for any echo or background noise. Mute yourself briefly to check individual audio. If you need to speak privately, use Swap or Hold to isolate one person. Also, if one participant drops, you can redial and remerge. To finish, tell both parties you will end the merged call, then tap End Call or remove an individual participant from the conference list. If merging fails, try simple troubleshooting. Hang up both calls, restart dialing, or toggle airplane mode to reset network radios. Make sure to check carrier conference limits because exceeding participants can block merging. As one key tip, if audio quality is bad, switch to Wi-Fi calling or a dedicated conferencing app to bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.